Hi, welcome to Live Tutelage. In this session, we'll be discussing of types of relations. In our previous session, we have discussed two types of relations. One is one-to-one and second is one-to-many relation. Now, in this session, we'll discuss about many-to-one relation and many-to-many relation. The first is many-to-one relation. The name itself specifies if A, B are two sets and we define a relation from A to B such that one or more elements from set A have the same element as output from set B. Okay, so if you take a set A and if you take a set B and you have a relation from A to B such that one or more elements from the set A is having the output from B, same output from the set B, then we call that type of relation is many-to-one relation. Now here we have taken the example. So here I have a set A, I have set B, and this is the relation that we have defined. Now let us represent this example with the help of the Venn diagram. We'll take the Venn diagram. So this is set A and this is set B. Right. So this is set A and this is set B. So in set A, you have the elements A, B and C. And in set B, you have the elements 1 and 2. Okay. Now we have defined the relation from A to 1, B to 1 and C to 2. So this is A to 1 and again B to 1 and then C to 2. Right. If you observe the Venn diagram, so here the element A from set A is having the output 1 from B, and again the element B is also having the output of the same element from B. That means many elements from set A has the same output from the set B. This is known as many-to-one relation. Okay, coming to the second type of relation, which is many-to-many relation. The definition says if A, B are two sets and we define a relation from A to B such that one or more elements from set A has one or more elements as output from set B. So if we have more input elements from domain is associated with more output element from the range. This is the example we have taken, set A and set B, and this is the relation we have defined. Now let us see this with the help of the Venn diagram. So if we draw the Venn diagram for this, so this is set A and this is set B. Okay, this is set A and this is set B. Now set A is associated with the elements A, B and C. A, B and C. And set B is having the elements 1, 2 and 3. Now if you observe the relation, we have A to 1, so A to 1, then B to 1, right? So B to 1 and C to 2, C to 2, and again we have from A to 3, so A to 3 we have relation, and again C to 1, so from C to 1. Right? Now if you observe the relation here, we have more than one elements from the domain set has the same output from the range set. So if you observe this A and B, right, we have the same output 1 from the set B. And if you observe, we do have the different elements is having the input from the same set C. So if you observe number 2 and number 1. So this is 2 and this is 1. Both is associating with the element C. Right? So which is many to many relation. So you have many inputs and you even have the many outputs associated with a single input. This is known as many to many relation. Thank you.